5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 60, 1 right and 2 left, and 2 left, 80, crest 150, and 3 right over crest past the walls, 80 after it.
3 right?
3 right, yeah, 80 after it. Crest only 60, turn square right shiny. Into 1 left and 100 down. 100 down. And tight 3 left shiny and 2 left over rough. And 1 left up. 1 left up. And crest 60. And long 4 right shiny. And lay 3 left nips and keep out. Mind the standing water inside this 3 left. And 1 right continues over crest. Continues over crest and 1 left and 2 right over crest nips. 40, 2 left here and 3 right shiny. And crest and very long 3 left shiny. Very long 3 left shiny. 40, 4 right past the junction. 4 right past the junction. Into crest and 2 left past the junction. 100. Long 2 right. Long 2 right here. And late 2 left over crest. Late 2 left over crest, into care long 3 right, continues over crest, 130. Tight 3 left, keep in over bump, into long 2 right. Keep right on the crest and 1 left, and crest and 1 left, watch your brake and 42 chicane right entry, 4 bales. 40 down and late fast, 4 left shiny, watch your brake on the 4 left. Watch your braking. 40, fast 4 right. Fast 4 right. And 2 left over crest. And 3 right. Into crest and flat 1 left, 3 right. Into crest and flat 1 left, 60. Crest and tight 3 left. And 2 right. And tight 3 left to be. Into long 2 right. And 1 left over crest. 1 left over crest, 80, turn hairpin left over gravel. 80 out of it. Middle over crest jump. Middle over crest jump, 80, fast 3 left. 80, fast 3 left. 80 out of it. 1 right and keep left on crest, jump maybe. Keep left on crest and fast 3 right shiny. 80 out of it. Long 2 right, very long 2 right and 2 left. And crest and 4 left in at the gate. Crest and 4 left in at the gate. And 2 right, 170. 2 right, 170, go to the chicane. Right entry, 4 bales. 60 out of it. 2 left, bale inside. Into long 2 right over crest. Long 2 right over crest and 1 right, don't cut. 170 down the middle. And flat 1 left. Flat 1 left here. 80. Crest and fast 3 right, keep in. 60 out of it. Slow 3 right and square left in over gravel. Slow 3 right, square left in over gravel. Well done. 80. 2 right and short 4 right past the junction. Short 4 right past the junction. Into short 4 left. 60. Turn square right shiny. And 1 left over crest. And 1 left over crest, 60, slow 2 left into 5 right, into 5 right, and 3 left, and very long 2 left, fast, very long 2 left, it's fast, keep right on the long crest into care 3 left, and 2 right push, and 2 right into crest 100 down, to chicane right entry 4 bales, tight braking, 300 up the middle. Go to the next one, right entry 4 bales. Right entry 4 bales. 100 after it over muck. And slippy 2 left push, slippy 2 left push. 100. 3 right shiny. 3 right shiny here. 100 out of it, 4 left and 4 right kink. 4 left, 4 right kink. And 3 left and sudden 5 right slippy. 80 over muck and square left at the gate. Square left at the gate here. 150. Around the bales, keep left. Around the bales, around to the left. Watch the water up here now. A very long 2 left, it's flat. Use the road, 80. And flat 2 left again past the walls, 130. And 2 right past the junction, 100 to a chicane. Right entry 4 bales. Right entry 4 bales. Turn square left, don't cut. 130. And fast 3 left slippy. Fast 3 left slippy. Slippy 60. 4 left, bale inside at the gate. 100. And square right, don't cut at the wall. Square right, don't cut. Keep right on the crest into 5 left. Right on crest into 5 left. And 4 right, nips. 40. Fast 4 right again. 4 right again. 60. Late 5 left. Late 5 left, shiny. Well done, well done. Very short 5 right, slippy. Into long 2 left. Tightens to a long 3 left. Tightens to a 3. 100. Flat 2 right. Flat 2 right, 150. To a fast 3 right and a tight 3 left. Fast 3 right and a tight 3 left. Tight 3 left. And a very long 2 right. And caution over crest, tight 3 left at the gate. Tight 3 left at the gate, 130 to chicane. Right entry 4 bales. Shiny braking. 60 out of it. And 2 right up. And late 3 left. 2 right up and late 3 left. Watch it under the trees. And 80 up out of it. Short 5 right at the gate. And 4 left. Opens to a 2 left, 100. Turns short hairpin right. Short hairpin right. 60. Long flat 2 left and 2 right. Long flat 2 left and 2 right. 80 after it. Flat 2 left, 60. Slow over crest, chicane, right entry, 4 bales. And late 5 right at the pole. Late 5 right at the pole to a sudden 5 left slippy. Sudden 5 left slippy. Into 2 right. 40 and 3 left, don't cut, danger over crest, very long 4 right down, watch the 4 right down. Into 2 left. 40, caution square left and square right through the bales over the bridge. Into short 3 right, 60. Turn late, square left, don't cut, it goes around over gravel, use the road. 150. Long 2 left, 60. Long 2 left here, 60. And a fast 3 right at the fence. Fast 3 right at the fence. And 2 left through the junction. 250. Chicane. Right entry, 4 bales, shiny braking. Right entry, 4 bales, shiny braking. 150 out of it. Fast 3 right past the house, into 3 left. Fast 3 right past the house, into 3 left. And long 2 left, flat. Long 2 left, flat. 60. 1 left, 200 over the finish. Go on past the finish. That's it, well done.